We know that the default font for new documents in Microsoft Word is Calibri. Though this font is good for online viewing, sometimes it may create problems when printing. You may be using Times New Roman or Arial for print jobs. There is a method by which we can change the font manually each time after we have typed the entire document. But this involves formatting the document again and again every time you start with a new document. Thus, the other option that we can use is to change the default font so that whenever we open a new document, the font which we have selected will be appearing by default. The steps to change the default font are: first of all, we need to right-click on the normal Quick Style button located on the Home tab. Here, we need to select the option of Modify. A dialog box appears in which we need to click on Format to open the drop-down menu and select the required font. In the font dialog box, we can select the font which we wish to use with every document. In the font dialog box, we can also make any other changes such as changing the font size, the style, etc. Once done, we need to click on OK. Now we need to select the option of New Documents based on this template. Lastly, click OK to close the Modify dialog box. Once this is done, next time whenever you open a new Word document, you will see that the default font which you had selected will be appearing by default.